Hi, welcome to my another video today. I will help you choose the 5 best robot vacuum for pet hair on the market. I have made it based on my personal researches and I am tried to list those based on price, quality and more. We have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Starting number 1, Ecovacs Debit Osmo T5 2-in-1 Robot Vacuum and Mop. This 2-in-1 robot vacuum/mop is an all-around solid choice for pet owners who want clean floors. It can vacuum and mop hard surfaces at the same time and, sensing a change to carpet, automatically stops mopping and doubles its suction power to suck up hair. With an ample 240mm water tank, it can cover over 2,000 square feet when mopping. An onboard Smart Navi 3.0 laser mapping feature creates a precise schematic of your home's layout and plots a systematic and efficient cleaning route. Programming features include brush and brushless intake options, with brushless optimal for hard floors and the tangle-free cleaning of pet hair. This powerful machine boasts an optimized energy consumption system and an industry-leading 5,200 mAh battery. These power features enable over 3 hours of available runtime and up to 3,200 square feet of vacuuming and mopping on a single charge. A 3-layer filtration system effectively captures 99% of all allergens, including pet dander and particles as small as 6 microns. At number 2, Alife V3S Pro Robot Vacuum Cleaner. This sleek and affordable robot vacuum model is ideal for hardwood, laminate, tile, and stone floors. It boasts a tangle-free design that prevents pet hair and other debris from clogging its intake system, allowing it to pursue continuous cleaning. Its low-height design lets it get in awkward spaces where clumps of pet hair can accumulate, like under beds and furniture. The vacuum operates via a handy remote control or a one-touch auto-clean button. 3 built-in infrared sensors underneath the unit intelligently detect stairs and other pitfalls to avoid. It has a runtime of 90 to 100 minutes of continuous cleaning, and if the onboard system senses the battery is running low, it automatically returns to the docking station to recharge. At number 3, iRobot Roomba i3 Plus 3550 Robot Vacuum. The Roomba i3 Plus Robot Vacuum is the ultimate in set-it-and-forget-it convenience. After each cleaning, this savvy helper empties itself into an allergen-sealed bag that traps 99% of mold, pet dander, and pollen. The bag can take up to 60 days to fill, so it might be months of use before you have to think about your vacuum again. This powerful suction machine uses dual multi-surface rubber brushes that don't get tangled with pet hairs. While cleaning, a high-efficiency filter traps 99% of dog and cat allergens. For even more operating convenience, you can interface with the machine through Alexa, Google Assistant, or the iRobot Home app. A patented dirt detector senses the high-traffic areas of your floors and gives them a more thorough cleaning. Smart navigation, self-emptying technology, and cutting-edge artificial intelligence make this robot vacuum an easy choice for upgrading your cleaning routine. At number 4, Eufy by Anker, Boost IQ RoboVac 11S. Loud vacuum cleaners can cause anxiety for some furry friends. An effective way to help mitigate this may be the Eufy by Anker, which runs at 55 decibels, just over the noise level of a conversation in your home. Though quiet, this robot vacuum works hard, with multiple cleaning settings and programmable vacuuming times to ensure an effortless, thorough cleaning of your home. At only 2.8 inches tall, it easily gets under beds and furniture to do its job. An onboard drop sensing technology helps it avoid damage from falling off ledges or downstairs. The extra-large 0.6-liter dustbin lets the unit pick up ample amounts of dust, dirt, and hair, allowing it to take full advantage of up to 100 minutes of continuous cleaning. At number 5, Roborock S6 Max V Robot Vacuum Cleaner. The reactive AI technology in the Roborock vacuum is powered by twin cameras which allow it to recognize and bypass everyday objects larger than 2 inches wide and 1.1 inches tall. These objects include items like power strips, pedestals, and, perhaps most importantly to animal lovers, pet waste. After all, accidents happen, and you wouldn't want an appliance running over them to make matters worse. With a powerful suction strength of 2,500 pascals, this vacuum provides a deeper clean than many other machines. It also features an intelligent snap system that offers a host of mopping options. A LiDAR, laser-based radar, advanced algorithmic system enables accurate automatic room recognition and navigation. Multi-level mapping systems can be programmed for up to 4 floors, with up to 10 no-mop zones, 10 no-go zones, and 10 invisible barriers on each floor. Choose between a phone app or voice commands to operate this unit via Siri, Alexa, or Google Home. Set schedules, set water flow, clean specific rooms, and more with simple voice instructions. At number 6, Yeti K600 Robot Vacuum Cleaner. Those who suffer from allergies, even to their own pets, are best off with a vacuum that can suck up, not stir up, what they're sensitive to. The Yeti K600 has 3 layers of filters that separate almost all the microscopic allergens hiding in your carpets and on hard floors from the air that it expels back into your room. Dual side brushes gather debris and dust with less slippage, and a V-shaped nylon and rubber rolling brush gently pats the carpet to achieve more dust collection. Activating a turbo mode increases the suction power for twice the cleaning ability for stubborn pet hair and dirt. A tempered glass covering on this unit helps protect it from scratches, a concern if you have feisty pets who might have run-ins with the appliance. The vacuum measures 3.07 inches tall, so it should be capable of cleaning under low-sitting furniture with ease.
So if you want to buy these products, check link in the description box.